Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Google Analytics and choosing the Ga4 property you want to inspect. Once done, make sure the correct organization and property are selected in the top left selector so you don't analyze the wrong data. Next, verify the data stream is active by checking real-time. If you see live activity, events are arriving. This step prevents chasing absent data and ensures everything is wired before you move into the reports and explorations. Now navigate to Reports, then Engagement, then Pages and Screens to surface page views. Once there, set the date range at the top and optionally enable a comparison range to view trends versus a prior period. Make sure to apply segments or filters if you only want certain traffic sources or user types. This narrows results and avoids misleading totals. If you need more detail, add a secondary dimension, such as page path or page title, to break down which exact. Finish by building a free-form exploration when you need custom breakdowns or to reconcile totals. Drag page views, engage sessions, and users into metrics, and use page path as the dimension. Once you build the table, sort and export if needed. If numbers don't match expectations, troubleshoot by confirming your Ga4 tag fires on each page, reviewing any property filters, and checking time zone settings. Also use Debug View to watch events in real time, so you can pinpoint dropped or duplicated page view hits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.